Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can remove or delete your debit or credit card from Temu. So all you have to do here is you just have to open your Temu application on your mobile device. After that, you just have to log into your account. And right here at the bottom, you have these options. So all you have to do is to tap on the U option. That's right. And then after that, you have the settings or the gear icon at the top right hand corner of your screen. So click on it. And then here you have your payment methods. So you just have to tap on it. That's right. And right here, you would be able to see here your credit and debit cards list. So you have this edit option beside the name of your credit card. So you just have to tap on it. That's right. And then here at the very bottom of your screen, you have the delete card option. So you just have to tap on it. That's right. And then click on the delete this card once again. Okay. So you just have to select your reason right here. Okay. So for example, no longer use this bank card and then click on confirm after that. So once done, you have successfully removed your credit or debit cards from Timo. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.